Hi, I'm Kimberly Shapcotts, qualified chartered accountant, property investor and entrepreneur, plus director at Believe Property Limited. Let me share with you our project today. Welcome to my latest project. Let me show you what we've been up to. Let me show you some of the ensuite bedrooms that we've created. In this 7-bed property, we've created 5 ensuite bedrooms and 2 studios. So let's have a look around some of those ensuite bedrooms first, and then we'll move on to the studios and I'll share a bit more about what we've done in those.
Welcome to room 1, which is the first of all of our ensuite bedrooms. This used to be the lounge, and as you can see, we've got a bedroom and an ensuite that we have fitted into the corner of the room. In all our bedrooms, we add desks, as this is a student HMO, and we also put a television in the rooms for having the appropriate amenities in place. Moving on to room 2 now, another of our ensuite bedrooms. As you can see, there is a desk in the corner and also the beautiful patio doors, which were in situ when we bought the property. This gives great access to the garden. As you'll see, we again have fit in an ensuite bathroom into the corner of this bedroom. Still within the size of the bedroom, so it's all the right size, but it just gives that facilities for the tenant in the room, which is fabulous, and just gives them the whole package with what they need to live with.
We've now moved into the extension area of the house. So this before was not part of the house, it was part of the garden, but as you've seen hopefully through some of the other videos about the project, we built an extension in this area to create this beautiful bedroom, and then we've done our bits in the garden, as you'll be able to see behind me, with putting a bike shed in there.
So moving into room 3, and again another of our ensuite rooms, which has a lovely view of the garden and has all the relevant facilities that we need with the TV, the storage units, and over here the desk area. Let us move upstairs to room 4 next.
Welcome to room 4. Now this one is a particularly special room because, as you'll have seen, we've got a wall that we've taken down here, which if you've seen some of the earlier videos, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And we've got the main bathroom in this bedroom to make it an absolutely gorgeous ensuite. So check that one out now.
Moving into room 4. And as we can see, it's got all the common facilities that you have already seen in the other rooms in the house. We created this room by getting rid of a wall around here, so it does create quite a nice amount of space in this room for the tenant that will move in. The best thing about this room is the ensuite, as it was the original bathroom. So as you will see, we have a whole beautiful bath, we have a shower, and we have the normal facilities. And into room 5, which is the final of the ensuite only bedrooms. Now this one is again a really good size with space for the desk, the bed, the wardrobe facilities, and in the corner we can see that there's a door to the ensuite. Now this one was a quirky ensuite, as we used another room space to create this ensuite, which left this room a really good size. Let us move now to the first of our studio rooms.
Welcome to the first of 2 studios in this property. In here we've got a kitchenette, as you can see behind me. We've got a living area with some drawers, chair and different things to make it more homely, and then our bedroom space. And obviously the final touch, our ensuite with a lovely shower and facilities. The idea of introducing this studio to the property was really, we had a really good sized space and it just added those extra features, especially with the 7-bed, where to have a kitchen to cover all 7 people would be quite large and overwhelming. This just added the ability in the property to kind of really add some value for us.
Welcome to room 6. The first thing we're going to see is our kitchenette area, which is fully fitted out. We've got a small but good sized sink, our hobs, our oven and a under counter fridge and separate freezer. Plus we've got the microwave. So you literally got a fully kitted out kitchen here to enjoy and make some hopefully lovely meals. Moving around, we've got our work area, our relax area with the TV, with the desk, and then a chair to sit back and relax in your room, as well as the bedroom area towards the end where you've got your spacious bed and storage facilities. Then the final element of this room is the ensuite, which has the shower and other facilities. So moving upstairs to the top floor and the second studio room. As you'll see, we have got some plugs on the stairs and also an alarm port for practical reasons.
Welcome to room 7, which is our second studio, which is kind of like a penthouse flat, to be honest. It's got a lovely kitchenette, which you can see behind me and you'll be able to see in the walk around in a moment. It's got great space for dining. It's got storage space for all the tenants' different bits and pieces. And also we've got the ensuite and a lovely bedroom area. This is completely self-contained because we do have washing facilities in the room. And as you'll see, we've got a great area for storage of any other stuff that we all tend to collect in life. So this is an amazing penthouse that we've developed and hopefully you'll love it as much as we do.
Welcome to room 7. And on entry, we can see our bedroom area over here, which is kitted out for 2 people to occupy the room. Moving over to our dining area, work area, and our kitchenette, which, as you can see, fully fitted out kitchen with full sink, fridge, freezer, and oven and hobs on the top with the microwave. Now this area can be moved around, so we've got space for desk and also dining as the tenant would like to arrange it. The bedroom area, we've got random nooks, so we do have space for hanging coats and hanging other bits as well over there. We've got our ensuite room here, which gives us full facilities as you would expect in any property with an ensuite. And over here is where we've got our wash facilities hidden away, so it's there but you don't have to see it all the time, so our washing machine. One of the nice quirks up here is we do have some roof space, so we have some great storage for the tenant. So as you can see, we have made it accessible and available to put different bits and pieces for storage, including our second chair for the dining area, as well as whatever else may end up in this space. Let us move into our communal area. As you see, we've got a great big fridge freezer and an extra fridge to provide space for all of our tenants' belongings and food that they would like to store. And we were very lucky to have the kitchen in situ. So we've protected this throughout the build and got it deep cleaned when everything was done to give us a great, perfect looking kitchen again, as well as some freshened up decoration. We've got all the kitchen supplies that you would expect to see, with washing machines, with oven, with toasters and microwave, and all the different facilities that our tenants will hopefully love and enjoy in this space. This is now part of the extended area of the property, And this is the dining area that we've created to give plenty of space for them to enjoy this space. In this space, we do also have a television to enable them to sit and enjoy time together and access to the garden. Now we are outside and you can see the doormat and the extension in its full finished glory. Down this way, we also have the bike shed, which we needed to include as part of the planning requirements.
Hopefully today you found it interesting seeing how this project has turned out and what it looks like. There's been a few trials and a few tribulations along the way, but we've got here. If you have any comments, please do leave them. We'd love to share more about this project with you. Please like the video and do subscribe to the channel. And let's make tax less taxing.